Hey there! Welcome to DollMotion! In this video, we're going full kawaii. There's still a big Decora Kei craze going on in the doll community. I already made a Japanese fashion-inspired doll with my fox Volpini on Patreon. But I haven't made one yet on YouTube. That's going to change because I'm going to make a Decora Kei bunny, inspired by Dutch children's book Nijntje, or Miffy, how the rest of the world knows her. The Nijntje franchise started in the 50s as a children's book with a simple graphic design inspired by Piet Mondriaan's artwork. It's now one of the most famous characters from the Netherlands. You're probably thinking, hey, she kinda looks like Hello Kitty or My Melody. Although Nijntje was published first, there are many debates on who copied who. Yeah, it really doesn't matter because I kinda like them both. Well, let's begin with the custom. If you were watching my previous RePaint episode, you could spot the Nijntje figure in the background. Well, then you found the hint. Good luck finding the hint in this video. For this custom, I'm going to use this cute Frankie Stein hat with a Spectra body. I bind her hair in a ponytail and start cutting her hair as close to her head as possible. I already go in and take off her human ears. They have to make place for long bunny ears later. I also take off her nose because I have different plans for her face. With tweezers, I go through her neck and remove the remaining hair and glue. Well, I tried. The glue was so hard to remove, I had to cut open the head to remove the rest. With nail polish remover containing acetone, I remove the factory painted face. With some stitching, the head is all prepped. Continuing with the body, this character will be getting some small body modifications to her legs and feet. As you can see, I cut the plastic at the toes, ankles and under the knees. I reposition the legs with wire, so she'll be having flat feet and a small bend to her legs. They give it more animal features. I fill in the legs with epoxy clay. I sometimes switch from background in this video, so you can see the doll better. When the clay is dry, I sand down the clay to get a smooth transition from plastic to clay. I paint the underlegs with acrylic paint and seal in the paint job with matte varnish. I give her some pink body blushing with pastels and seal in the whole body with Mr. Super Clear. Returning to her head, I made an armature out of wire and pinned those into her head. With epoxy clay, I sculpt two long bunny ears. When the clay is dry, I trace the ears on the head and take them off. She'll be getting some cotton candy colored hair, so some pink for the base. Just like I did with Canis, I'm going to start rerooting the outline with purple. And fill in the rest of the head with soft pink. I really think this will give her hair some dimension. I secure the hair from the inside using Fabri-Tac glue. To unpoof her hair, I'm going to give her a boil wash treatment. I let her hair air dry for 1 day before putting her head back on our doll body. tucking away the hair and body to be safe. Again, I take out my epoxy clay and shape her a new face. I was very inspired by my bunny doll I bought from Animani Dolls, if you can remember the unboxing video. If you want to alter a doll's face with epoxy clay, it's best to do this when the head is back on the body. This way you prevent cracks in the clay. Now that we have a white canvas to work on, let's start with the face up. I start sketching in her face with a pink pencil. I give her some depth in her face with pastels. When my guidelines are done, I go in with acrylic paint. Don't worry, the red eyes are going to be pink in the end. With me adding some shadows, let's answer the question of the day. What is her accent? Well, I have a Dutch accent because I'm from the Netherlands. It sounds the same as Melisandre from Game of Thrones. I try to talk English as best as I can, and not to sound how I'm speaking right now. Do you have a question for me? I haven't answered yet. Please leave it in the comment section and maybe I will answer it in the next Christmas repaint special. Back to the repaint. For the Decora Kei vibe, I'm going to add a lot of colorful sprinkles to her face. Why sprinkles? Well, probably because I'm watching too many squishy videos. Oh, it looks so cute in her. To see it in the face up, I sprayed the doll's face a few times with Mr. Super Clear. Bunny ears! They need some fluffiness. To make yarn flock, I comb out white yarn and cut them in teeny tiny pieces. Look, it's like a chubby cloud. To attach the flock to the ears, I first cover them with fabric glue. Now I can dab on the flock. Wait for it to get dry and now I can brush off the redundant flock. Ooh, so fluffy! With a 2-part epoxy glue, I glue the ears permanent to her head, avoiding some pink hair in the process. I cut her hair a little bit shorter and gave her bangs. Okay, outfit time! Although I'm more of a person who likes saturated colors, I'm going for pastel colors for this doll. It's kinda out of my comfort zone, but trying new things are always good. She's getting one of the cutest skirts in doll history. With some socks. For her accessory, I made her a bag, just like the one I made for Felicia. But this time with Nijntje on the front. Between accessories, I decided her ears needed some blushing. Okay, the fashion Decora Kei is all about, well, decoration and accessories. And I definitely went all out with Volpini. But for this doll I want to keep it simple. Less is more. These polymer clay miniature slices are great for these types of dolls. I like to glue these on pins to make cute hair decoration. I also glue them on our socks and store-bought shoes. Some shine in her eyes, lips and cute bunny nose, and she's done. Oh, maybe on our next date we can shop together. Hey, are you listening?
What? Oh, yeah, sorry.
So, as I was saying, pastel colors are the best thing to wear because they blend in just great. You can combine it with everything like bags, skirts, shoes, jewelry, just name it. Oh, hey Alex, I didn't know you were going out tonight.
Yeah, I had a thing, but I'd rather be home. Hey, do you want to play the new Pokemon Switch game with me?
Oh, I'm actually playing it together with viewers at the moment.
Is it getting serious between you and Perus?
Yeah, I think so. We only had a few dates yet, but there really is a click. Yeah, I think I really like him.
The only thing that matters is that you are happy. Well, I think I'm gonna start a new adventure by myself then.
Can I still watch how you play?
Of course, Penny.
If you are wondering if this character will be returning in future stop-motion scenes, sadly no. This doll is not in my collection anymore. I joined the Decora Kei doll swap a few months ago and sent this doll to an English doll repainter. If you want to know what kind of Decora Kei doll I got, you really need to watch the next unboxing video. It will also have an important stop-motion scene. I would like to thank my lovely patrons for all their support. And like always, like if you liked it and sub if you loved it. See you in the next video. Bye!